everyone, and welcome to the first release video of the SuccessFactors release 2024. I will start with a short introduction of myself. My name is Mélanie. I'm a SuccessFactors consultant at Flexo. I work mainly with EC, the talent modules, and recruiting and onboarding. Let's dive into the highlights of this release. This video will be mainly based on the AI features that have now been pushed into the system since this release. AI can be divided in three parts. The first one is deep learning that will show personalized content to the employee. The second one is the generative AI that will create and generate text to help the employees. And the third one is, of course, Joule, the SuccessFactors chatbot. SAP classifies AI in two tiers, the base AI functionality that comes included in your license and the premium AI capabilities that will come at an incremental cost. If you need more info over this topic, I will invite you to take contact with your SAP partner. The first feature is the AI Usage Acknowledgement. This message will be displayed to the user whenever they enter the system and try to use an AI features. They can continue with it, knowing that AI has its own limitations, or decline and go without the AI functionalities. The second one is a new administration page when you can get an overview of all the possibilities with AI and which one are enabled in your system or not. We will now go through what's new in Employee Central. In Employee Central, there is a new AI-assisted person insights for compensation discussions. This tool will help managers to have an overview of what's been going on in the compensation history of their employees. It will provide, when clicking on the Generate Insight button, a complete overview on the job history and the compensation history of the employee. It will come with a long test, and it can also bring into light some discrepancies, for example, between two people with the same employment. There are also new cases supported in Joule in the chat box, as I mentioned before, and I will, for that, show a video to demo what can be done now in SuccessFactors. So when logging into the system, you can directly ask Joule or write in clock in, and the clock in will be already saved in the system. The same goes for the break and the clock out. So employees don't have to go anymore through the timesheets or the time tracking part. You can also view your pay statement directly in Joule. This is a tool that's very important for the employees, as it will help them to find information quickly and easily. And you can also view, of course, the holiday calendar to plan your next vacation. We will now go into recruiting. There were already two AI-assisted features, job description and interview questions. The questions are generated based on the job description and the job requisition, and then we create some other questions for the candidates and the recruiters. Job description will help to create a better text to provide on the website. The new feature is the AI-assisted skills validation. This comes in two parts. Mainly, first one for the candidates. When they upload their resume, AI will read the resume and add some suggested skills that matches the resume indeed. The second one is the skill compatibility portlet for the recruiter to find the best suitable candidate for the job requisition. If the candidate has not saved any skills on their candidate profile, AI will still go through their resume to find the best suitable candidate. Then let's go into performance and goals. The new page for creating goals has been revamped by SAP, but the functionalities are the same. But now we have also a new AI button that can generate a goal with some brief description that you can enter in the text box. The second part in performance and goals is also the assisted writing. Here is an example of what you can do with it, for example, in a feedback request. You can enhance the writing. If this doesn't sound as you might like, you can try again. You can change the tone to professional, personal, or constructive. You can make your text longer or shorter, or create a bulleted list. Important side note, this is only available in English for now, but SAP has already released the information that it will come in other languages in the releases that are coming. And that's it for us. Thank you for watching this video, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.